Hi friends, and welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a Five Below Shop with Me. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's just jump right into today's video. So as soon as I walked into Five Below, the first section I wanted to check out were the sunglasses. I absolutely love when they bring in the heart-shaped sunglasses. I think they're so cute. I did go ahead and pick one up, so stay tuned for the end of the video. I do show you a little haul of all the items that I brought home with me. And in the shoe section, I didn't see much else that was new except for those closed-toe slides. Everything else I know they've had for a while. I also noticed these slides here that were new to me. I'm not sure if maybe they had them last year and they just brought them back, but these looked really nice. And I also noticed some headbands that would be perfect for 4th of July. Is anyone else already planning their outfit? I'm definitely that type where if I see something, I'll definitely pick it up in case I want to wear it for a holiday. And Five Below also had new scrunchie sets in. These would be so perfect for summer. I absolutely loved all of the bright colors. And of course, in the skincare section, they had some new face masks. They had this hydrating lavender one. And then they also had this calming one by Spa Life. And right below that one was a hydrating one. The masks were $1.25 each, or 5 for $5. They had a ton of new masks. It took a lot of willpower to not bring any home with me. I have so many face masks that I need to get through before I bring any new ones home. But let me know in the comments below which ones you would have picked up, or if you have tried them, let me know how you like them and if they were worth it. I also saw a huge section of Freeman Beauty. They had a foot mask, hand mask, leg mask, lip masks. They had a ton of different ones. I am going to go ahead and show you all the different ones that they had. And to the left here, this one right here was a Cosmic Steam Eye Mask. I almost picked this up, but I decided to leave it behind because I also have eye masks at home that I need to get rid of. And also a lot of the makeup look like their regular makeup that they carry, but these lip glosses here just looked really nice, so I wanted to show you guys. Everything else as far as the makeup goes did look like what they usually carry on an everyday basis. And I also wanted to show you a quick overview of the nail selections at Five Below. I absolutely love these nails. I would suggest using them with the Kiss Glue. Now there were no other new items that I found, so I'm going to go ahead and do a little haul for you guys. These are all the items that I picked up during my trip. I wanted to try out this makeup brush washing machine. I've heard a lot of great things about it, and I'm going to show a little preview on Instagram when I use it, so make sure you're following me there. And I also wanted to pick up this deep pore cleansing machine. I have seen these at like Ross or TJ Maxx, but I didn't want to splurge on them just yet because I'm not sure how I feel. So I decided to pick up this one from Five Below. I also picked up some organizer bins. As you can see behind this, I picked up their new little storage, and I am absolutely loving this. It's working out really great for us. I kind of decided to use it as like a catch-it-all, just overstock items I just placed in the bins. So it's been working out really nice. And I also saw these really nice pillows at Five Below. This is a larger size than the normal ones they carry. So I was really excited when I saw these. So I brought 2 of them home. I also decided to give one of the men's colognes a try. So I picked this up here for my husband, and hopefully he'll like that one. It did smell really good. And I did pick up one of these heart-shaped sunglasses. Like I mentioned, this was one of the reasons why I wanted to go to Five Below, because I absolutely love these heart-shaped glasses. They're so cute. And I also picked up one of these over-the-door hanging organizers. And I couldn't leave this little aromatherapy freshener back. It was so cute. I absolutely love the little rainbow, and it has a pineapple scent to it. And back to the over-door organizer. This one here was really nice. I decided to put it on my pantry door, and I've been putting little items in it, and so far so good. I love it. And that's pretty much all the items that I picked up at Five Below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye-bye.